In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trusted sender in Gmail. Email is one of our main ways to communicate, and so it's important to make sure that emails from people you trust aren't getting lost in spam. Whether it's for personal or business purposes, learning this simple skill can save you time and hassle. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Search. Just type in "how to add a trusted sender in Gmail" and hit enter. You'll find plenty of resources, but for our tutorial, we'll go through it step by step. Once you've accessed your Gmail account, you'll want to navigate over to the email from the sender you wish to mark as trusted. Scroll through your inbox or use the search bar to quickly find their email. Once you've located it, click to open the email. With the email open, look towards the upper right corner. You should see a small three-dot menu icon. Clicking this will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From these options, you'll need to select Add Sender to Contacts. By adding their email to your contacts, Gmail puts this sender into your list of known and trusted connections. But we're not done yet. To ensure their emails always show up in your inbox and are never marked as spam, we need to take it one step further. Go back to your Gmail homepage. On the left side of the page, locate and click on the More tab. And from the expanded menu, select Spam or optionally, All Mail if that's your preference. Check if any emails from this sender have been mistakenly marked as spam. If you find any of their emails in the spam folder, click to open the message. Gmail gives you the option to mark it as Not Spam right at the top of this email. Clicking this button will automatically move the email back to your inbox. By doing this, Gmail learns that emails from this contact should be trusted and arrive in your inbox in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should ensure that important emails from trusted senders are always easy to find and are never mistakenly filtered into junk or spam folders. Remember, this is a handy trick that can be applied to any sender whose emails you don't want to miss out on. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need, and don't forget, maintaining your email filters and settings will keep your communications seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more handy tech tips and guides.